Good morning. Una welcome. Na me una brother na pikin. When he come from Edo State, where papa na Benin, and mama na Benin, where their house not far for Edo State, not far for the town for Ring Road for Edo State. Na maybe that pikin. I can't go for inside Facebook yesterday. I can't see one governor when he come for River State. The way the governor take me for a people, the way he take the plan for a people. Now I say me, I can't report to, now I can't quit report this morning. He get some people when he can't deceive us, when he can't deceive papa, mama. During the election of Edo State, all those pikin when he can't deceive papa, deceive mama, we say Edo must move forward. Edo must move forward. Papa, old mother. Some more pikin, all of them come clap and follow them. They clap and follow them. Not be waiting they tell us. Or will not be waiting they explain to us now we they see today about the governor. Now me I can't go for inside Facebook yesterday. As I dey go, I can't see one governor wey come for River State. I don't know his name. Person wey know his name, I beg make you send her for my WhatsApp when I know his name. I can't really know say governor. Not be all governor be evil like Obaseki, no guy say. You know say snake not the born pikin, may not born the one we resemble. If Atiti born now, the pikin where Atiti born. Due to my legacy or my character of my behavior, there was one of my pikin wey go come out tomorrow wey go behave as I take behave. That's why we dey pray for late Ogbemudia. Anywhere he dey, may so rest in peace. Let late Ogbemudia for governor of Edo State before. I would say we fit see any of a pikin, whether na woman, whether na man, wetin their papa do remain, may they come do one for us. That pikin no go your bad, make bad like Obasaki. That pikin no go bad, make bad like Obaseki. So I dey try to tell my people of the world, my Edo State people, I would say we know where any Ogbemudia pikin dey. If na woman, if na man, If na woman, we fit give woman a chance for governor of Edo State. If na man, we see bring am. They know you feel bad, when they come bad like Obaseki. Now the truth I tell now. They say na fan wey papa lay down. Now pikin they continue. You know, see as me, I dey tell una say see the work with my papa teach me, I not go school. Now where my papa for hand, now there I go for start. So what I dey tell now, parable the truth for the whole Edo State. But Ishao, Igbankel, if some people feel look and say what I dey talk, but sit down me take am. So not be that one I come for now, na parable by true. Mo kuna go call up Bato Baze, mo na call Usanokwodi, mo na call talk and say B, mo na call that one wey dey for America wey he head long. When he head long, you never find the problem wey dey for he head. The problem when he carry for or problem when he carry for that he head, you never find am. He go dey give woman money wey dey take do nyash. When he dey for Europe, you know say that he head, they'll fit cut and throw away, they'll plaster am again, they'll surgery am. You know think as he want to carry his head, he go Texas, that's hospital where they for near Ranomigo house. Me they for cut his head throw away. Me they cut his head, me they amend am for him. Because papa we born am, he no resemble papa, he no resemble mama. We don't know where mama for bring her come. So we could call out the get one way they call way they for Germany. That one we open fake orphanage where they call a Jack Paco, where they call Ogogo, where they take for our single mothers. You know, say they're full of flooding people who no know. These people they flood people with lie. When I go call Obaseki, we go to pick dirty for Ring Road. God, Obaseki, governor of Edo State, we go to pick dirty for Ring Road. Where they deceive you now. He go put 3 lights for Ring Road now. All market women we never see lights is 6 months, since 1 year that they happy say he don't bring 3 street lights. He don't bring 3 street lights for now. I dey tell myself Obaseki no be Bini, una dey tell son na Bini. Now wetin Onyegu can do for Bini, Obaseki dey do so. So before we start to go, I go play the video when I want to play. So if I play and finish, if I get with it, I want to talk, I can't tell them. When I see governor, we mean well for a country people. Governor, we mean for state people. You know, see all those shots where all those people shot, all bad people. Mostly Obaze. Mostly Obaze. He don't come with Connie again now. He don't come with Connie again now. All of them they look at. He don't come with Connie again. We want to start to deceive now against 23. But I not be politician. He don't read the time when I want to fight these people now. The message when pass me say go to talk to government. If you don't grow come, I can't get the opportunity when I want to talk to government. Niger Watch, Niger Watch know where they go. He quit thief my page. Over digging, he changed the name to GBC Nigeria. He changed them again. We are on the street. He don't change them again. I don't know where the name come again now. I don't know where the name come now. We don't change them. So I can't work. I can't see one governor. The governor when I see so now from River State. We me well for people. No be Obaseki we go to pick dirty for Ring Road. Who the press red so? Who the press red so? Who the press red so? I call you for here. Me chugwe man. Who be that person? Press am again when I see you. Press am again when I see you. Ereja you. Gay. Obaseki to Boba pick red now. When I see Governor Obaseki the press red for my platform. Well, Obaseki happy red. You know say I want to tell Obaseki the press red. Make una drive Obaseki come on for here. When I take a like you to throw for here. Jeje governor. Tiffy governor. Edo State governor where they thief our money. Not be waiting tell us in one can do now they do. Una they see the clap and for and call the press red for yeah. God do not pass a key, no say. You the press red, fake governor, where the press red for ATT platform. You know the shame. Go the press red for ATT platform. You know the shame. Obaseki, you the press red for my platform. You know the shame. You do when I talk to you so. Consider governor like your mate. Consider my plan for you. Governor like your mate. See governor like your mate too. Governor Obaseki, see governor like your mate.
We implore you to know that your responsibility from today going forward is to put an end to illegal taxes on people. We have a tax law here that prescribes those who are exempted from tax. All those categories of people and those that from time to time may be so announced by the governor, including every single hotel that has less than 50 rooms in Calabar and in the whole state, today are exempted from payment of tax. We have exempted all Okada drivers, taxi drivers, airport taxi drivers. We have exempted small salon owners, small catering and restaurant points, mama food, eatery points. All those small basic survival people selling of produce, struggling to make a living, they have been exempted today from paying tax. We have exempted them because it is better for me as a governor that I rather task my brain than to tax my people. And great perseverance, you have the right for anybody who comes before you to demand tax. You have the right to say, stop, the governor has said we should not pay tax. Why will a small person carry banana from his farm to go and sell and produce people are there taxing him for produce? Why would somebody carry granite?
Excellent, sir. Hold on, sir. Excellent. You are a good governor. You are one of the governors we need to be our president of our country. Excellent, sir. Wait first. This person where they press red so. God do not pass a key, no say governor of Edo State. You the press red for my platform. You know the shame. Make you the shame. See governor like you, see what he talk. See governor like you, see what he talk. You say person will go carry banana for farm, they not feed the taxan. People where strong to buy land, you they say your boys, we see your foot, that they play the 12, that they sell land for the 3 times, 4 times. See what the governor talk. The other day now, where about Obaseki come at councils and holding a community fight today, a community the thief land. When I can't tell and say I see there for a body, I say there for Sanokodi body, I say about again now you about the land again. They don't do a cuckoo. They don't do a cuckoo for SARS now nobody here again. But it is say I not call stroke about. If for the chop us and holding now, you go to chop on, you go to chop on holding, you go to chop us and holding. You know, so they tell the truth, now they pepper. You know, say I get born a body the pepper run. Who they tell them the truth, now body the pepper. In any way I fit they put the truth. In any way I fit they put the truth, I go they put them for them. You Obaseki, you know the shame, governor. You call my platform, the press red. You know the shame at all. A governor of Edo State. Because he say I want to talk to you now, you call the president of the Obaseki for my platform. Fake governor, tiffy governor. We implore
you to know that your responsibility from today going forward is to put an end to illegal taxes on people. We have a tax law here that prescribes those who are exempted from tax. All those categories of people and those that from time to time.
You see a good governor of Rivers State. He sees he has something to be for a community. He employ people. He say may they go stop the people where they give people tax. Where they play people, market women. People will go cut banana for their farm. May they reserve their money. Say may they go tell poor people, may they go tell them, may they know they collect tax for their hand again. Clap for yourself, good governor. And you cry for inside this video, you feel for your people. It pain you say your people are in suffering. You say it say they'll still give you another more years. 8 plus 8, it go be 16. You could have happy, you could have fulfill your promise. You could have fulfill your promise. as a good governor. Our governor, what did they do? Noga say, Obaseki of Edo State, governor of Edo State. Tiffy, Jan Koriko, how are you? Come and listen, Obaseki, come and listen to a governor like you. See what he come out for a matter and he do one. Since when land grabbing there for Edo State? Land grabbing. If they not buy, you know not feed this your vote. You know, say I don't start to tell them, make they not this your vote again. You know, say they not come the announce them again. The way they take the announce them before, the way they take the announce, see your vote, see your vote, see your vote, see your vote, see your vote. I just say and say now why you know I send people. May they go collect my money when I give her back before me take this your vote. When I come to sing for this your vote now why you this your vote now why you now governor now the way to collect our people money now governor dey. Governor Obaseki no ga say you never see they say that they keep people that they collect our mama lances then. How many people you don't say for outside to go and stop it? This a governor for Rivers State do now market women money, we market we born. We say you want give them, you not give them. Now you see say make shame not come. You go they put 3 light for ring road. Maybe for break person come out, we go see come day for there again. They say if you don't take, you know say this social media can make us wise, it can make us learn something, and we can sabi something. Governor Enoga Obaseki, why is the press ready for my platform now? Stay for your house now. What it concern me concern you. I they tell you what you're supposed to do. You have to be ashamed of yourself, Governor Enoga Obaseki. You have to be ashamed. When I plan for you, me listen. I beg make una driver. Make una driver. I'm gonna go call Bushland. I go talk to Bushland. Time see they 8 your sharp, so 9 over sharp.
We implore you to know that your responsibility from today going forward is to put an end to illegal taxes on people.
Make una driver come up for here now, but the governor now you know guys about taking. Muna press like your thing, take driver.
All those categories of people and those that from time to time may be so announced by the governor, including every single hotel that has less than 50 rooms in Calabar and in the whole state, today are exempted from payment of tax. We have exempted all Okada drivers, taxi drivers, airport taxi drivers. We have exempted small salon owners, small catering and restaurant points, mama put, eatery points. All those small basic survival people selling of produce, struggling to make a living. They have been exempted today from paying tax. We have exempted them because it is better for me as a governor that I rather task my brain than to tax my people. And great perseverance, you have the right for anybody who comes before you to demand tax. You have the right to say, stop, the governor have said we should not pay tax. Why will a small person carry banana from his farm to go and sell, and produce people are there taxing him for produce? Why would somebody carry granite to go to market and somebody is putting a checkpoint on the road and collecting money from the granite seller? This is not Ben Ayade, this is not my nature. I am not wired for this insensitivity to a weaker person. I have abolished produce tax. Let farmers earn their money, let them keep their money. Because you didn't give them fertilizer, you did not irrigate the soil, you did not prepare the soil for them, you did not do the land clearing for them. Why do you want to tax them? Why do you put pressure on that your small brother or sister whose situation is much worse? Why will we expect that people who don't have scholarship for their children, who don't have good schools, they struggle to pay, struggle with the uniforms, struggle to have security in their small businesses, struggle to get water with their borehole, struggle with generator, and government is providing almost nothing to come back to such people and tax them? I think this is the greatest injustice. I never knew that 5 years into office as governor, I would still find somebody who live in a tash house in Cross River. I almost cried because I knew how prepared I was, but it didn't end the way I had dreamt for the state. And I just think that somewhere God will just help me, because I really wish I could really help. I really wish I could help.
No, see governor they cry. See governor they cry. You know if he complete the demand for his state. No, see the clap follows one foolish governor. Who the press no ga Obaseki. E ma gwenakpa. E ma gwenakpa yan we can get nakpa. We no let person come out, night person they die they put. Since you say you come the press red head governor Obaseki no ga say for my platform. You see what you define now. Make una no fit drive and come out for here. With the press red head for all of una present, una no fit take a like your thing drive and come out for here. Me not made the shame. See governor of Rivers State. No, Bush Lion, what do you tell us? You see, say you be the name. They say anything where they give person, where the person the answer. Now foolishness of this life where the person start to live. You don't know what they call you Bush Lion. You just sit down. As you go America, you go study for America. So you go school for America. You just sit down. You can't give yourself say Bush Lion. That's why I tell people now, if we donate money, we will go do something for your head because the bush what you did for your head. As that head take long, Iroko tree dey for his side, Oka dey for his side, Ikpekpe dey for his side, wait dey for that head. Make they go cut and make doctor go cut all those Oka comot, cut Ikpekpe comot, cut Apa comot for his side. Make for get sense. Because you not get sense, you are a very condemned human being on earth. Bush Lion. So with the come now, with the come Obaze. But Obaze, you see good governor. You not show this one. As this governor talk so, you not show him no affect you. Obaze, you not show this one where this governor of Rivers State talk now. You not show him. You don't see Oga could be. You dey say Oga could be, say FCC carry Oga could be. If I tell una say now, rabbit to all of una dey find the go. Una say attitude don start. When did they call Oga could be? Now they call Oga could be. That man will do mama burial that day. You don't see this one. We got one plan for you, but Obaze, one plan for you. Listen.
We implore you to know that your responsibility from today going forward is to put an end to illegal taxes on people. We have a tax law here that prescribes those who are exempted from tax. All those categories of people and those that from time to time may be so announced by the governor, including every single hotel that has less than 50 rooms in Calabar.
What do you do about Obaze? You clap on for Obaseki, scatter hotel for Benin. They say hotel where you get more than 50 rooms for Calabar, I mean they not pay tax again. But what do? You clap on for Obaseki, you with the Bush Lion. The scatter person hotel for Benin. Nothing you put for that land today. Nothing wanna put for that land today. Una wasted that ass for nothing. For an evil acts. That kind of governor, now I say go fit do something for our community. That kind of governor, now go fit do something for our community. Now so house he come the scatter one time, so house, now he come the scatter. And over before he go come out, now see what he go do. Now evil we no know. About Obaze today. Wetin me come ask about Obaze? Oga could be when he dey for Ebola where he do mama burial. You know how to carry a video come out that day. But this where this Rivers State governor talk, you not bring this one come out more we see. What I plan for you? If now Sanokwodi now, you go see and say now so they grab land for Sanokwodi community. He say Sanokwodi they among of the youths where they stop land grabbing. Sanokwodi they among of the people where they stop land grabbing. If now that one you see bring and come. If now Oga could be where you do, you know that day you come out, you can't disgrace the old Benin women for waiting for Sabine. He say all the old women don't go. Now truth say now they work with the land. Now anywhere where money day, now kuna they go. Now let the one way mama train, where papa train. Now not they believe on man money. If the day where the man they do burial, you see all the old girls don't go that side. No girls for Benin again, they don't go Oga could be burial. Now FCC carry Oga could be, you come out that day. But see what you governor like your papa talk. See him.
We implore you to know that your responsibility from today going forward is to put an end to illegal taxes on people. We have a tax law here that prescribes those who are exempted from tax. All those categories of people and those that from time to time may be so announced by the governor, including every single hotel that has less than 50 rooms in Calabar and in the whole state, today are exempted from payment of tax. We have exempted all Okada drivers, taxi drivers, airport taxi drivers. We have exempted small salon owners, small catering and restaurant points, mama put, eatery points. All those small basic survival people selling of produce, struggling to make a living, they have been exempted today from paying tax. We have exempted them because it is better for me as a governor that I rather task my brain than to tax my people. And great perseverance, you have the right for anybody who comes before you to demand tax. You have the right to say, stop, the governor have said we should not pay tax. Why will a small person carry banana from his farm to go and sell, and produce people are there taxing him for produce? Why would somebody carry granite to go to market and somebody is putting a checkpoint on the road and collecting money from the granite seller? This is not Ben Ayade, this is not my nature. I am not wired for this insensitivity to a weaker person. I have abolished produce tax. Let farmers earn their money, let them keep their money. Because you didn't give them fertilizer, you did not irrigate the soil, you did not prepare the soil for them, you did not do the land clearing for them. Why do you want to tax them? Why do you put pressure on that, your small brother or sister, whose situation is much worse? Why will we expect that people who don't have scholarship for their children, who don't have good schools, they struggle to pay, struggle with the uniforms, struggle to have security in their small businesses, struggle to get water with their borehole, struggle with generator, and government is providing almost nothing to come back to such people and tax them? I think this is the greatest injustice. I never knew that 5 years into office as governor, I would still find somebody who could live in a thatch house in Crossing. I almost cried because I knew how prepared I was, but it didn't end the way I had dreamt for the state. And I just think that somewhere God will just help me, because I really wish I could.
River State people, Muna your court here, Muna go give them. River State people, if you not lose this governor, if you not lose and go out before I see another governor again. River State people, make una put this governor again. Make una put am for nice city again. Or make it be godfather, make it the control now. If you not lose this governor, no see again. Since where we lose Ogbamudia for Benin, since where we lose Ogbamudia, big man pikin kan, Gbenejo pikin kan, na thief kan thief. All of them, na thief they call the thief. If una never know, why they tell una? If una lose this governor, why show una? River State people.
I wish I could help. It's very painful, truly. I can't put 5 years and I've not been able to change that.
So, I beg my people, River State people, say more again another 5 years. The change where you want to change the River State me for fulfill. I beg any River State man, Muna court here, Muna share for our people. Muna say put on. He promised me fulfill. He said in 5 years, you don't believe say they could see us we not good for that country, but say no fit fulfill. He dey cry. He say I wish does he put another 5 years for him. May it fulfill a mission when it come from River State. Since where we lose Ogbamudia for Edo State, since where we lose them, we not see governor like that again. That's why they tell una say now farm where papa farm remain, I picking the farm. If Ogbamudia picking a woman, make una bring am. If na man, make una bring am. We try am again. We will see am. If na not do that one, Muna can call me or Muna go call Victor Omenwan as the governor of Edo State. All those who are where they say that politics is a dirty game. They are not ready to do better thing for us. You know, governor where they call governor, he go they tell you and say politics is a dirty game. You know say that governor native. Governor go they pick the thief for street. You know say native. The market women money where bonds is there. Obaseki not give them. Obaseki not give them. More, he go dey Abati come, he can't deceive all Benin people. Abati, where Abati today now? Now social media, I can't they follow us, they fight now. I do not move forward to get about. See, COVID-19 come, NSAS come. Our people we hungry one key. They go break house. When they want to break the house, but Obaseko tell us say, na medicine dey at last, no be rice dey for inside. That can pikin all of una see go dey look. That can pikin all una see go dey look. Look now, you go say be cracky commitment. About Obaze. I tell am last time 1 year ago, if you know say na truthful work in the work for Benin, make carry block come and make us swear for front of your house. We not say about Obaze. We know I see go dey clap and dey follow am today. We dey come because say my platform not big again. As e not big again now, they don't tiff and Niger was not tiff. It don't reach the time when I want to start to talk to the government on my own. I'm not the jump person. I start to fire them, talk to them. They don't call Niger was can't tiff my over here digging Niger was he tiff my page. He tiff my page. Make carry go, but the one when I get so I go see stick and they talk to them. What they try to tell all of you now. You know, not see all those men, all those the bush lion, them Ameya Wefi, they all of them so, all of them are thief, all of them, Dumeze, all of them are thief, Atakbarak Panogyoji, now all of them be. So for me, now the truth I go begin to talk, even though they kill me because of the truth, I cannot stop to talking the truth. When I see governor now, if a Dumeze they say get money, if they talk to governor one-on-one, they don't blow sarin for them when they do birthday. He chop spaghetti for Europe. He did with Monica Atuari. Supposed to talk to the governor, say this land grab the way that they grab, so because all of them they grab them together. All of them they grab the land together. If you talk to them now, they'll say me you not come house. So when you ought to wait that one about Obaze, you see your life. You deceived the Edos and you humiliated Oshomole and people supported you. Oshomole na bring Obaseki when he see character. Oshomole was wanted to change him. Say this one not get where they go, not fear Edo State. You know fear Edo State. People don't understand what the Oshomole want to do for his side. They say, work when he do remain. This man don't they do this work they go enough. He not get what he want to do. He abandoned the whole work. Oshomole was wanted to change him. Say no fear Edo State. You know fear Edo State, but do deceive people with money. With 200,000 media welfare, where they say be a daze. They say that they say governor give a paper, newspaper. You way governor give newspaper. If you be you be better person. You not be thief. Governor don't know you. Say governor know you. Now you supposed to tell governor say, see the way road be, see the way everything they go. Why you not talk? You dey find a code there. Where you want make your orphanage home take grow. You dey want a code there make your orphanage home to grow. I dey tell the whole world today. Oh, Jebo orphanage home is a fake orphanage home. It dey offload people. Any woman where they put money for there, any woman where they put money there, you are a coward. You say governor know you. You say governor know you. Ekitana vere ne. Ìyẹn wà bune. Ìyẹn wà bune. Ekita gbọ́ wà. Ìgbà ìwárè. Mo bẹ ekita gbọ́ wà. You say governor know you. You say governor know you. Ameya Wefe. You say governor know you. Say governor don't give you paper. You not see the way the things be today. Now we not take Shatokba, we not take collect money. Where are you today? Governor don't know you. Made it for the support you for your orphanage. You want to inherit yourself. You want to be big man. You want to be somebody that does what does a way. People are going to clear point to people now. Going to clear point to people. I go to clear point to people about Obaze. Una say all of una will not take it for group. Una they try to fall our kingdom. Una they try to give our kingdom rubbish name. Muna take erect una property. Muna take give to somebody for community. Make them for known for community. So my people, my brothers and my sister, before I come out again, I never want to talk now. When I play this governor for now, because what did this governor do? I never now look Bermudia. When he ruled those states for 90 something. Now I don't see we do this kind of thing with this governor do way they do so. We want come up for post, they cry, say me they say give more time. Me it fulfill the promise, me it work for those states those days. But we not here. And those people not here because most of them not need what is good. Most of them don't like what is good. They not here when they please. Even they say give more time. That time, Bermudia, I did some more that time. The thing pay my papa when they talk for news. My papa say my pikin, when you grow, go and talk to government. Now that time tell me. See now, if what I can't tell Rivers State, may they not leave this governor. May they not leave and may fulfill the promise. May fulfill the promise. You see our governor, market money, only market money, where our women take the trade. Hungry they beat people for inside Benin where today. Now because some market women not get money with the day trade again. Albert you not see that one may come. As is when Obaseki win now, Albert you not tell Obaseki say the money we say you want give market women. Why you not give them? You not see them. Ajekpako not see them. Or what they need. Now they are human infrastructure as Osanoko they talk. They defend their money. If Amiya Wef say governor Noah, Amiya Wef say governor Noah, he don't collect paper for governor hand. Me no governor, but now he there for the right to talk to governor. See the stress our people they face. This land grabbing where they grab every day where they grab. How many times when I don't see Amiya Wef come and come to put? How many times when I don't see and say he come and come to put? He go come out. Orphanage fake when he open. Where he take the thief our single mother money. You go come here. How many times those kind of top put? All those kind of people now go to clap and follow them. They say they be better people. They say they be better people. All those people now be thief for the community. Anyway, my people, now small video. Now I can't drop for now. When I see play with the governor of Rivers State, when I plan for now.
We implore you to know that your responsibility from today going forward is to put an end to illegal taxes on people. We have a tax law here that prescribes those who are exempted from tax. All those categories of people and those that from time to time may be so announced by the governor, including every single hotel that has less than 50 rooms in Calabar and in the whole state, today are exempted from payment of tax. We have exempted all Okada drivers, taxi drivers, airport taxi drivers. We have exempted small salon owners, small catering and restaurant points, mama put, eatery points. All those small basic survival people selling of produce, struggling to make a living. They have been exempted today from paying tax. We have exempted them because it is better for me as a governor that I rather task my brain than to tax my people. And great perseverance, you have the right for anybody who comes before you to demand tax. You have the right to say, stop, the governor has said we should not pay tax. Why will a small person carry banana from his farm to go and sell, and produce people are there taxing him for produce? Why would somebody carry granite to go to market and somebody is putting a checkpoint on the road and collecting money from the granite seller? This is not Ben Ayade. This is not my nature. I am not wired for this insensitivity to a weaker person. I have abolished produce tax. Let farmers earn their money. Let them keep their money. Because you didn't give them fertilizer, you did not irrigate the soil, you did not prepare the soil for them, you did not do the land clearing for them. Why do you want to tax them? Why do you put pressure on that your small brother or sister whose situation is much worse? Why would we expect that people who don't have scholarship for their children, who don't have good schools, they struggle to pay, struggle with the uniforms, struggle to have security in their small businesses, struggle to get water with their borehole, struggle with generator, and government is providing almost nothing. to come back to such people and tax them. I think this is the greatest injustice. I never knew that 5 years into office as governor, I would still find somebody who could live in a thatch house in Crosswinstead. I almost cried because I knew how prepared I was, but it didn't end the way I had dreamt for the state. And I just think that somewhere God will just help me, because I really wish I really wish I could help. It's very painful, truly. I can't put 5 years and I've not been able to the change.
My people of Rivers State. My people of Rivers State now the draft for now. My people of Rivers State now I the draft for now, because this when Ogbemudia come up for Benin, Ogbemudia will not see governor like him again. We don't bring big man picking no work. We don't bring poor man picking no work. Now so tiffy the thief for us. So Rivers State people, I can't beg una. Una governor they plead say I will say una see gain another more 5 years if we are happy. Muna not look and say na child play. Rivers State people, Muna still make sure say Rivers State people wait there for Europe. Muna send those videos, go give una people. Muna talk to una people. If you reach election, Muna still gain another 5 years. The time when Ogbemudia, governor of Edo State, those days when he talk to us, we not believe. We not take a word. Since when Ogbemudia come on for Edo State, we not see governor like that again for Edo State. Now social thief United they come. Now social killing United they kill people. Since then, now I can't tell Rivers State people I beg this una governor make una hold and wear, make una drag and wear. Anyway, they want to follow and drag the seat. Muna not agree for them. Muna still put them for them for another 5 years. You know, not see our governor now. Market when he born for Edo State. Governor Onoga Asebaseki, the money we're supposed to give them, not give them. He not give them the money. He let all those women where they suffer. The one way see work for years for Edo State now where they see buy land. He go see send the boys make they collect the land for them. Like Abraham Magba go collect for his side. Usano Abati go collect the land. Uranoko go collect the land because they drag the land for these people where see suffer for his side Benin way work. Where they take buy land, make they suffer they build them. They'll collect them for the land. They'll say they not way build them. Because they not get human sympathy, they not get love for individual. But the one when I can't drop this morning, wait till you make me come, wait till important pass. Now Cross River State people now I can't talk to. Any I take drop the message for now Cross River State people, make una hold this governor where. I remember the time when some Ogbemudia of Edo State, governor of Edo State those years, when he begged me, me they say he begged me, they say give a time. Me they say give a time, he say rule Edo State, Benin no care, they not even care put. Now the same thing this governor they repeat for Rivers State now, make una not come they follow so pit. I just say the whole road waiting for governors by Asa State. No, across Rivers State, I know say the roadway there, all of the roadway there, say na tie, aluminum tie. If una not give a time, may take 5 person we go place for there. As everywhere for inside Benin and Poto gutter, now so it go come be for that una state to make una take give a time. Another 5 years, may still go for them, may say do what they pay for might for now. So now small we go dey enter the matter now every day about this. Our governor seat, our leaders for Benin, and small we enter. We not feel the quiet, they look there now. If not the one who go the low, who go the knock or go for head, we go the knock or go for head. If not the one who go the knock and go for head, we go knock and go for head. If not the one who go the break head for head, we go the break left for head for a egg. Now so we go the do now. Make una share this video, make this video go viral. Make rich man and woman hand. Now little video, small drop video now I can't drop this morning. Any I take drop the message. Picky when he gets sense, he go take for inside. The one way not get sense, you don't come again. You don't see you now. You be better person if you be better person. If you be better person, you know come the right way you country where you for come out. Many of us pass desert because of it not day for us, it not day for bank. Many of us now farm will take survive before we come out. Farm will not defeat the going now. Farm will not defeat the going now. Full and need to collect the whole bush. You come here, Obaseki. You come to pray red for my platform. Oba Godwin Obaseki, governor of Edo State. You know even the shame. At the platform now you call the press red put. If I catch you again, you see what I'll do you. So make una share the video. May go viral, make man and woman see him. He saddened me, he painted me. A governor like this, they see governor way good like this. Way they feel for a people. Way want make people better. May want make people make them not the oppress them. I can't see governor from a river state. If they feel for a people, no want me that they oppress them. Say they not give them fertilizer, they not give them anything to farm. They not physically go to collect us for them. May they keep their money, may they take a job. Since now government money, now the thief government money, now want start to the thief private money again. Now I say when I can't take this broadcast away, make some governor where come from different states, make they see them. As I drop this message, so make una like and go viral. Now video when you know it's too long. All I get now video when it's too long. Now small video when I can't drop this morning. Make una help me share and make go viral. Now maybe new generation prophet Atiti, where come from Edo State, where Papa say me go school, where not go school, where go they dig rabbits. It is say I know my Papa beat me where say when I go school. It is say I go school, join the one when I did so I know say nah, if for be fire. But the one when the little one where my Papa teach me, the wisdom of God where my Papa teach me, I will start to use them. They talk to people now, me they learn from it, me they take for it. Not because I call the advice, I call the talk to them, that they hear word. I not go over the advice. Because person not there for my hazard. As I talk here, so who gets sense go take for his side. So my brothers and my sisters, and so I drop the video reach. This morning, Bush Lion, Nikmana Gbo and Wana Owagbon, Wayame Fian, Iwakin. When no man want, when you do, when you will not know tradition of Benin, you will not grow for us. You can't support all those you go. All this yan of Munoma, Yan Sioma, we are gain, Uda Bobolenia, Umian, I don't Bush Lion, they know Utana. Short video, I money the because you only want deliver, no one can war. Share the video, let the video go viral. So now, so as I talk just now. This one are the best of new generation. I still get on a page, new generation top show. Now there we still get Tubutubu, where they call YouTube, Prophet Atiti top show. If you want to look for me, if you go there, where they call Tubutubu, all of them they call YouTube, you'll see me Prophet Atiti top show for there. I bet make you go follow the page, make you subscribe, put. Now maybe that picky will not go school. The way it's off the mileage they come, make you not support me. Me will fight all those people, all those bad people for community. They say Benin people don't know truth. But this is time where they go tell me truth. That's why we call a new generation. Una feel they look and say na child play. Una feel they look and say na child play. From 95 years, 6 years, una go to see the truth, my country people. God bless all of you around the world. Bye bye.